What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a bit of a different one, but as you can see behind me is my 1990 Honda ACTY, and today we're going to be doing an exhaust install. Also, yes, hello. What do you have to say? What do you got to say to the video, huh? I don't know if she's going to help or not, but she thinks she's being very helpful, aren't you? Yeah. So to start with, I took the wheel off. You don't need to do this, but it makes it easier to get back in there and it's easier for me to film. But as you can see, we're taking off those bolts right there, and it's going to be a straight pipe and it's going to come out right here. So as you can see, I've just got the nut off on this half and I just have to get the bolt out. So now what I got to get off is these 3 rubber hangers. They're a little hard to pry off and they've kind of been stuck there for 33 years. But let me show you those coming off. All right, so I've got this hanger off. Now the only thing holding this exhaust on is the hanger on this side. So once I get that, this old exhaust will be off. Y'all didn't see this, but I also disconnected these air hoses that I'm not sure where they go. But yeah, who needs those anyway? Especially if you don't know what it does. So first what we gotta do, I have to embrace the most important YouTube tradition ever, and that would be starting the car with no exhaust on it. So yeah, listen to that monstrosity. Alright, so we just got the exhaust back on and it sounds fantastic. It's going to be annoying to the neighbors and I have the loudest weed whacker ever. But it is my weed whacker and I love it. Oh my god guys, this thing sounds so good. It doesn't sound as loud in the cabin, but if you really get on it, this sounds absolutely beautiful. It's a little pingy, but this is my fun car. It's not my daily. So, who cares? It's gonna be loud, it's gonna be obnoxious, and I'm here for it. Alright, so that's the end of this video of the install on my exhaust for my Honda ACTY. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe because there's a lot more K-Truck content coming. And yeah, see you next time.